อยากเป็น
Op.
New game.
Welcome to Raider Publishing, where stories come to life.
Hi, I got an invitation. I'm a writer?
Oh, great. Go ahead and fill in your information, and then make your way over to the elevators.
Okay. Wait, hold the door! Whew, that was close. Hi. Excuse me? Can I ask you something? Have you been published before? Nope. No, me neither. Whew. My parents always say I should quit writing and get a real job, but look at me now. So what's your story about? It's science fiction. Oh, sci-fi. Sci-fi's cool. I write fantasy. Look, I don't mean to be rude and all, but I really don't do small talk. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you too.
Hello, I am Raider, owner and founder of Raider Publishing. And I believe that everything great that happened in the world first happened in someone's imagination.
Excuse me, miss. This way,
We
please.
proudly
Oh,
offer
sorry.
its participants the opportunity to truly set one's creativity free. Unlike other publishing houses, we're on the verge of releasing a product that will reshape the foundation of the entire industry. Stories have been told and retold pretty much in the same way since
Do we
the
get to
dawn
wear
of man.
these?
Yes, the suits will help us pinpoint and track your
Our
synchronization.
cutting-edge technology,
Track and synchronize
your
what?
stories will
Mr. Raider will fill you in on the details
grand
shortly.
Immersive event. Why read or watch a story when you can live it, touch it, feel it? My fellow writers, let me introduce the machine. My life's work, the heart of this company. You will all undergo a unique simulation of your story. And during the experience, we will record and store it all, and then package and publish. Welcome to the next chapter of storytelling. Yes.
Hi. Hey, I'm Zoe. Sounds amazing. I just wanted to thank you for giving me, us this opportunity to get published. Lord knows it is rough being an unpublished writer these days, am I right? Are you saying that we're gonna be plugged into that machine?
Yes, you are.
I was told that we were here for a publishing deal. Get paid and that's it. I didn't sign up for a medical procedure.
Oh, trust me, this is no medical procedure whatsoever. Just try to relax and you'll enjoy the experience.
Right. Sure.
Then, without further ado, activate the suits.
This is so cool.
Please step onto your assigned platforms to begin your journey.
Welcome. Please step on your assigned platform.
It's time to unleash your full creative potential. Go.
Please return to your platform, ma'am.
I can't do this.
Calm down, return to your platform.
I won't do it, okay?
We cannot shut this down now. Do you understand? You have to proceed.
No. No, I said I'm out.
Ma'am, I told you this is perfectly
Get off
safe.
me.
No, no,
Let
no.
go.
You come with
No.
me. Listen, it's
What is
time.
this?
You
What
can't
is
shut. No!
Ồ, sọc rất.
Oxford.
Cảm ơn tất cả mình sẽ đi được bọc.
Oxford Occons.
Học chiều chỉ học lên.
Hostil 수지는
Học chiều chỉ spille mic. Kisi nếu mà spille mic aku chỉ sul. Tama to kakluan na. Yak sa chỉ sul.
오늘도 깎아.
So.
You? What are you doing here?
Wait, what?
What are you doing in my story?
Something bad is going on here.
Yeah, like you're ruining my chance to get published.
No, listen to me. What was that?
Watch where you point those things.
There is something this publisher is not telling us.
Well, all I can see is that they have given me exactly what I signed up for.
You don't understand. We need to get out of here.
Not we, you. I need to get published. Just please leave my story.
Trust me, that is exactly what I want to do, okay? What is that?
Yeah, and take that glitch thingy thing, whatever it is, with you.
That came with me.
Yes, and neither you or that belong to me. Where are we?
I think this is my story.
What the hell is going on?
Yep. This is definitely my story.
What kind of a crazy story have you written?
Listen, I don't want to be here either, okay? I just want to get out.
And how do we do that?
I don't know. But something tells me we need to find that glitch.
Are you sure?
No!
Okay.
Đi cho mình. Oh,
So you have no clue where that glitch might be?
All I know is that we're in my story.
Had to fall into my simulation, didn't you?
Let's just focus on getting out of here.
pwedeng kodak.
Whoa!
우와.
Ano ba siya lang?
yun na.
Minut sekap. Amba. Magkakakala ka. Atat. Assassin. Siya ka rin to sana kasama mo.
Let's check out that console.
Console. Ay. Hindi ko ito ko ikaw.
Can you explain the situation, please?
We're freedom fighters, reclaiming our home from galactic invaders.
No, not this story. In the real world, what happened?
I wanted to leave, but they wouldn't let me.
Are you sure this isn't just some sort of misunderstanding?
Look, I was fighting them when I fell into your simulation.
Wait, there was a fight?
We've got company.
Nang binatago
Oh, crap!
Ooh. No.
Eh?
Whoa! Look out, look out, look out!
Ooh.
Let's move.
Asaw sa katingon.
Keep it together.
Sao 신난 게다
Just
고치 샷건 밥 뭐는가? 아 시험을 똑같 나가
Oh, sangit.
bloody hell!
Now that's a proper ion cannon.
Wow.
스타왁스 yan 고치 샷건 이거는 낙바시고
Oh.
Don't look down.
단다감
That's actually kind of a view.
야 안 먹으면
Phew.
Yup. No.
pinakanood mo sa shot
Whoa!
ah
There we go. We're still searching for the glitch, right?
What else do you think we're doing?
Getting lost? Insane? Or both? You tell me.
No. The glitch has to be around here somewhere. It has to.
dapat sehingga tidak panas
It's
kita
slowing
layak
down!
bisa kaput
Oh no. Okay.
You all right?
so
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh.
ouch yo up no
Sangit.
so dapat tayong gerang
Oh.
no na
Okay.
ah
Obsession.
ikat ko ah
So, how does this
Come
work?
on.
Do you know what will happen next in the story?
Sort of.
natakin
Come
ako
again?
na pa yun
Writing it and experiencing it
Oh.
is a totally different ballgame.
Let's hope there's a plan to safely separate us and return me back to my story.
Oh, sangit.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Just because you blew your shot to get
No.
published doesn't mean that I have to blow mine.
No, I think they're up to something fishy.
makayok na yok
I
pa
just
na
don't know what yet.
Ma'am, camera ako. So, nakumponglis yan.
Oh, sangit.
So, ay. Tuwak tayo ko, activate kang na. Tuwak tayo kang ginam.
Oh.
Yeah, so,
Oh, there's a ship here.
Yeah, we can hijack it.
ano na siya
Oh.
ba? Ah! Kakalit itong kanyanta.
And we have takeoff.
Holy! This is mental.
Wala sa ano nagkit siya yung dito mas takli ko.
Sangit. Yun. Anak sa kaya kapastik ka mo.
Still no sign of the glitch.
Nalaro ng jump. Jump.
Ooh! Oh, sangat.
상대 pukulan. 친구 있었어. Ay, pukulan.
Ah, so naipakaring. Tokan ng istara.
He's cool as a camel! That's not an actual saying!
Ah, ka.
Jawa, Bifte.
Ah,
Token na siya, tapi ganit.
topic ka rin nga, naipakayak naman. Na,
Kahit asik po. Pero na kasi ito kami. Ba? So... Sipirat pa. Amateur siya bisitatak.
Can you handle a gun turret?
Is that a common question you ask people?
Or any weapons?
oh,
for that
ka.
matter?
I had a slingshot when I was a kid.
Kurang ko siya.
Alright.
Go. No.
That's our ship! Get it! What? It's our only way out of here! Ah!
Okay.
Oh, sangat.
Hey, siya mo ba? So atok ka kayo kasi mo. Siya ko nakuha ka sokso.
Why are we flying towards the storm? We don't have a choice. I wrote it this way. Oh, well, that's just splendid! I hit it! I hit it! Shoot them down!
Ah,
Ako no, Jim.
I think I got one! Another
uwa!
hit! Take it out!
Aas.
I got one!
I did not sign up for this.
Over there! The glitch! Come on! What the? Wait, are we back in your story again?
Yeah, but it's not the same one as earlier.
What the hell is going on?
I don't know.
But you wrote this, didn't you?
I can't keep track of all my ideas.
All your ideas? We only submitted one. What do we do? Do we fight them? What? Run! Definitely run!
Yep.
Ugh, knights are corny!
Desert
Storm was a masterpiece!
마리오 난 이죠 똑똑한 낚시를 하는
So, in the story, incoming!
오빠 좋아 진
Watch out! Brace yourself! Oh,
한번 해로 아
snap.
아포크니아근
Ora.
아포크분 가능만 달고 있다고 다사
is crazy. You're crazy. Well, I didn't submit this story for a reason. But it exists because of you. You wrote it. Don't forget who created this mess when you crashed
No.
into my simulation.
No. Mayus.
아사시 이리장 박소리였어
You've got to have faith when you leap.
Something's up ahead.
하늘이 박삭 닦고 하늘이 아
When life gives you lemons.
아 빠지비요?
Asa mo kayak chikakoy kaso nga.
아 뭔가 또 싱겁 저 각신다위? 각신다운가? 모르니
Ikaw ang indasong. Masitung ikaro ka.
Okay, let's scramble.
makano nga oh
Ikaw.
아
Manak. Ikaw. Takot mo.
따라
What is wrong with these guys? Well, plundering gets them excited. Look! The glitch! But how are we supposed to reach it?
야 없는? 어씨 아
Panoorin ito mo lang, no?
Ay
Ay,
Siriaya ko kung buka fish
dami talak pa ito nga.
so
Dami mo sasakta mo din na. So, ito kumutawa, kumapos.
Desu nampak Sabar.
Holy shit!
That was a close call. Oh no. Are we in another one of your stories?
No. This is something else.
Then what is this place?
Whatever it is, I think the glitch has something to do with it.
Yeah, it's acting weird. Whoa! What is going on?
I don't know. Can you hear that?
It must be coming from...
What is this glitch?
Sir, the machine was never designed for two people at the same time.
It seems like their combined presence overloaded the entire system, causing it to glitch.
This is not supposed to happen. Can't we stop them?
We don't know yet, but we need to find a solution before the machine takes damage.
Damn it. What's the status of the other participants?
All stable. The machine is fully operational and is successfully extracting all of their ideas.
Except these two. Okay, let's fix this. I don't want to hear problems, I want solutions. Go!
Extracting all of their ideas.
I was doing perfectly fine until you came along.
But they're trying to steal all of our ideas, not just the ones that we submitted.
Oh no. Oh, what about my publishing deal?
Don't you get it? There is no publishing deal. We need to get out of here.
But how? How do we get out? Is that even possible?
Not sure. But they seem to get real worried about those glitches. I mean, look what it did. If we find more of them, I believe it might crash the whole system and we can break free.
Whoa, hang on. So you want to go through more of your crazy stories?
My crazy stories? Do you think I'm excited about meeting your stupid giants again?
Actually, they were not giants. They were trolls.
Whatever. It's either glitch hunting or we let them steal everything.
You're right. Are all your stories sci-fi?
Yeah. So?
I figured. You know, I really don't understand how one can enjoy sci-fi. It's just so... depressing.
Like I'm a fan of fantasy. It is by far the most overrated and pretentious genre.
Great. I'm Zoe, by the way.
Mio.
Okay, Mio. Where are we?
They really are stealing our ideas.
So this isn't the story you submitted?
No. I wrote this a couple years ago.
Okay. What's it about?
Revenge.
Revenge? Well, that sounds dangerous. And what is this?
Careful!
Whoa!
It's a gravity whip!
What are you doing up there? What kind of a revenge story is this?
It's very simple and straightforward. We are cyber ninjas, hunting down the boss of the SRI crime syndicate.
In what world is any of that simple?
Let's just go through the story and find the glitch, okay?
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Con mình một tổng tập mất. À. Đón đầu. Hey.
So what do I do with this whip? It's your weapon.
Ơi.
Like a weapon. Treat it with respect.
Ôi sức kỳ sĩ. Ông băng đấy ngờ.
Aku tak ada mak. Tak mau dia usah.
Đi siapa sih?
What a warm welcome.
Mau susun đấy.
Oh, as. No. nuutissuungiilluutungaani taava.
Tamani арлаанниарпу тиссақассуилли юанаруага. Имга тигусасса. Канаруссуа. Уна капилиусассууса комитасса. Танна.
Ааюнну.
Таавангаққутиссаа.
Ада
Тааванганнассуутиа. Да.
уа. That's not.
Sorry.
No, takun tama putaktan na kasikaan.
Fishing? When we watch it. Ayun na.
Yes.
So. Tava.
Oh.
So. Taksindangapu.
Ikukusan na
To
niyang
elaborate on
nagtungo.
this story, locate the bomb, take her down, get out. When you say take her down, what are you suggesting?
Ay.
Cold-blooded assassination. Oh dear.
So, sunod. No, so.
Komenyainga. Muna ikam ito. Atau besirikero pada yung katingin ko sa ako na. Sisa ko bisita. Non reaksi mo na sa na.
Noong ikasungan.
Ito mo na.
Ada. Yes.
Takpan niya ka sa kap. Nanuwan to? Ayun.
Ay.
By the way, what exactly are we avenging?
The fall of society.
That sounds
Open.
dramatic, but pretty vague.
Kusak, suci
City
dapat
being
mo.
bled dry by the crimes committed corruption.
Oh,
And we're here to assassinate things straight.
Namba kayo?
That's the gist.
Java.
Ah,
Piko sa komitas.
Mas.
Ako takak ba? Meron na akong takak.
Sakti.
Masuyo.
This gravity shift
Sabi ko sa
situation
kanya,
won't spiral out
gusto
of
na.
control, will it?
Yeah, about that.
Because I get bad mood.
You'll be alright.
Na. Tungin.
Ay, yes. Ayun sa komitas.
Marami. Okay. Ah.
Okay, so this might get a little trickier than I anticipated.
Ah.
So
Oh.
much for very simple,
Spider-Man
straightforward.
naroting sa
Damn, what a shoot.
Mo na. So.
Ay,
Java.
oh,
That's one.
good.
Ano ro chichino?
Ay, nakakayo.
Java. Video ni kakasira na yan.
So,
Oh.
how do you think this simulation
Ay,
works?
no?
What do you mean?
So,
Considering that
naipakalay.
Raider wants to extract all of our ideas, does
Ginkan.
this mean we'll go through all of them? Not sure.
Komitas.
But as long as the glitch keeps messing with the machine, I'm ready for whatever. Agreed.
Roonu sun annat. Jaa! Kauan ka? Oo nga. So,
Oo.
Sudessa.
인간 징후졌어.
Iga şurası. Bakın nasıl? Adat.
Ay, yüzünden.
Şu bebek.
Adat. Bir.
Ya. Apa wangan mo?
Gusto ko man sa kakpunga. Ay, no?
Kışı. Posisyon juga.
Yes.
Apa? Ayun na. Sumin na bitch.
Sırbirin. Aşağı.
Wow. Smells like my gym bag in here.
Şu ayağa
Work
shoot.
out. I usually go for a swim. It's good for your joints.
Ağır.
Sorry. Dunia yokku.จุดตักสวรรค์นี่บัดตวรรค์ที่บ้านก็รู้สั่นไหมนะนะกูไม่รู้กูไม่รู้สิ่งที่สุดแต่ว่า
olması istiyordu.
Uangan.
A little help here?
Kışın. So.
Yes,
You're good to go.
Siobot. Shoot.
Yes.
Let me guess. You're from the city. Yeah. Born and raised.
Şanlı.
Why would anyone want to live in
Spider-Man.
the city? So loud and dirty. The countryside would bore me to death. And
Ay,
the
naku
light
po.
pollution? It dims all the stars at night. Stars are overrated.
Amazing. Spider-Man. So. Sikimo. Gawin niya.
Come on! It won't budge.
Step back. Stop. Hands above your heads.
What now?
We're gonna fight our way through this.
I've never been in a fight before.
What were you expecting? We're cyber ninjas.
Suspect is in debt with the SRI. Lethal force is authorized.
Lethal force?
Let's take them out! What? Inside now!
No, tokuşlar.
Gotcha!
Oh, sangattık.
Eh, apaan? Yep. Makan like singa.
Oh, sangattık. No. Kak. Tokupurak. Kanal Tokusua.
Igita-kata ko yung ganun.
Brutality.
Oh, sangattık.
Need cyber ninjas.
Oh, nasa kumitas.
Ah, dapat mo ito ko daw.
Oh, sangattık.
Ambaw niyo pa!
Oh,
The SRI dominates the sky.
Ay! Ah, dapat yun ang gusto. Jumbo! Ay!
oh, sangattık.
Claro. Tunupinok na tagulo. Oh? Ay. Ya. Sumunod pa?
Brace yourself, Zoe!
Ow! Was that really necessary?
Oh, stop complaining. Come on, let's progress the story.
Mio? What is that?
It's not a part of my story, that's for sure.
Doesn't look like a glitch.
No. More like a portal or something.
Ooh, I wonder where it goes.
We should avoid the risk of getting even more lost in here.
But couldn't it be worth exploring? Who knows, we might find some answers.
Or it might be a trap.
Or something useful.
Sokak
Sen
daw.
sakın bana.
Ada kaksok po. Oh, shoot.
Maybe we should check out that portal after all.
Yeah,
Oh,
feels
sokak.
like we're gonna miss something crucial.
Ada kaksen nak liak cuma dan sok sebut. Ah, makanya dan ciri po. Saka
Oh.
Fascinating.
Great. And now we're stuck.
They weren't kidding when they said extracting all of their ideas.
So we're back in one of your stories again?
Yes and no. This is more like an unfinished idea I once explored.
So, what kind of idea is this?
Well, this might be better to show and not tell.
I'm already regretting this.
들어가면 일단 무지로.
이겼지네.
Just stealing all of our stories, but our unfinished ideas as well.
Yeah, this is bad.
와우.
근데 요.
Glad those sharks are dead. They don't look friendly.
Yeah, those are dead.
이라 낚시방어나 덕고시방어나.
Now, let's traverse the sands of time.
Literally.
Literally! Whoa!
야,
These
줄리오
ones are
뭐.
alive.
And hungry.
근데 요.
We're safe on the rocks.
오케이. 나오나? 대수낭이야 이러고 보나시.
I've got its attention. I'm all out of thumps. Get out of the sand! No, no, no!
정말.
Pa sinaksak ka mo? Wala kang masok.
Art?
So, mga nipiliyong din ni Batok
Ay.
Sounds. Piyak pin?
Op.
Yaksan ni Matro, manipiliyong na matas at that.
Can't thump anymore!
So,
Art?
up.
It's gonna get you now, you include quicksand!
Art?
Up. 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 Up.
요.
Takbo.
I'm out of beats, Zoe.
우와.
이실제 가지가 ano ako siya no na ko manakpas lang yun ako
Just passing through, fishies.
I must
Sure.
say, seeing this idea come to life is pretty unexpected.
Yeah.
Doctor Who.
Raiders coming for everything we created. We'd better prepare for surprises.
Indeed.
칭 ano kumbuhan
정말 딱.
Dava mo aapi na so
I forgot about the shark pool!
정말 딱. 도양 ito 있는.
So what's going on in here? Why are we in an hourglass?
Oh, you know, it's like they say, time heals all wounds.
nope
And what about the sharks then?
I haven't figured that out yet, but they are exciting.
Dava na tungan na ito kasi may masak kasi ng reactor siyang makpakpuan Spingang biya arok tungan What? Reactor na siya matukkan
So, got a plan to get us across?
Yeah. Jump!
Art.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy! Crazy awesome!
Yep.
I don't know!
Jump.
Yeah!
Jump.
Sharky!
정말 딱.
Yung nang ginakaw.
우와 지금 ito. Well, yeah, oh.
Hey, there's that portal again! Keep going!
Wait, are we back in your story again?
Yeah. And in the exact same spot that we left from.
Whoa. Where did it go?
I don't know. It looks like it got removed from the simulation.
Removed? Does that mean we saved my idea from being stolen?
I guess so.
Yes. Then let's keep an eye out for more of these side stories.
Yeah, but our focus should be on hunting down those glitches and escaping.
You're right. Back to being a violent cyber ninja, I suppose. Well, I for
Wow,
one will
just
stay
the-
vigilant for these side story portal thingies.
Okay, then I'll track the crime boss.
But there could be some real hidden gems in there.
My old and unfinished ideas got shelved for a reason.
Are
Oh
they worth checking out?
no.
We can save them from Raider, though.
No.
Fine. Maybe.
Tama yun na.
Oh, yun na.
Bigla.
Zoe, catch!
Nope.
Ako nga set.
Ah. Sorry. At
Sumumas sa ngawin, no?
Hey,
kung nga di ka na mo. Eso. Well.
little bang.
Oo.
Stop. At that. Gusto na ka, malagkak-sakak na kaya ka. Hi!
Hopping na ko sa...
Ano pingat yung rinang?
Awa sa kumis.
Chop chop!
Tumakamok.
Utsiga na,
I
isa
know
na
this
kaya.
game.
Nakasang na yung karapos, bilang reakto nga.
Up in the real world, do you practice any martial arts?
I used to.
Huh. What holds you back? You seem healthy.
Not enough time or money
Oo.
lately.
Huh. Sounds like me.
Matuwa.
Always late, always broke.
Oh. No. No.
Ayun ka lang. Isang na.
Yes.
Sakto.
Look, what a sweet push!
Ah! Hindi isang dakto ko yun.
Hey! Respect the queen!
Takot ko. Kamamangatan. Ganito, Mangs. Ay.
Oo, yun na sa kumitas. Da. Maraksak pa.
Didn't expect cyber ninjas to
Ah! Kay một tuyệt cho đúng không? Một tuyệt cho nhà phục chỉ có tôi có chơi được cái đó mình rất là xấu.
Nagtasungon.
Kaso siya po siya po. Adat?
Ek.
Sila?
Song mo. Tatirok na itong
Ay,
sangat.
pas naksak ako.
Nakatsugon na sa sandok.
Misiguro.
So, nakatsugon na. Anak ko na singok. Sak.
Ah,
Nakatsugon sa sunos. Tawon ni Talakpeto nga anak ko na singok.
eh? Aku may sinalungin ako pa yan. Nataktan.
Gusto ko no.
Parkour.
Okay, can you swear here?
Sweet.